Hi there, it's Stephanie from Fork and Knife Teacher. You can find my materials at Teachers Pay Teachers, at FCS Fork and Knife, or on my website, forkandknifeteacher.com. All right, today we're going to go through color theory worksheets that I have. And in this grouping, these worksheets are digital, but they're also printable, and there's an answer key, of course, with them as well. So the first section I'm going to go through is the digital worksheets, and then there's the answer key, and then there's the printable worksheets after that. Okay, so on this color theory worksheet, and I'm just going to zoom it in a little bit so that we can see it a little bit more clearly. So students click here where it says type here, they would click and put their answer in. And on this worksheet, I explained at the top in the highlighted area, it says click on an image, use the fill color button in the objects on the worksheet. So, they type their answers in here, wonderful, talking about tint, shade, value. And then this is an example, they need to show you, give an example of intensity, right, in color. So you click on it, and then this right here is your fill color icon. They would click on that, and their options would come up for how to color it, and then they could show intensity with the color using that. Same here, students click on it to show you the primary colors, and then they can also type below. And then we've got a color wheel here, and they can type the name of the color and then also click on the object and fill it with the color. All right, so it's kind of more of that talking, going through the rest of the worksheet. And I'm just going to zoom out now so we get a kind of an overview of what it looks like. So this is the second page, and students will be working on tertiary, triadic, and complementary color schemes. So the question here, it says list below tertiary colors, like list them here, and then explain what the tertiary color is. And then they can click on this worksheet and fill in the colors. So they're typing, but then they're also visually showing. So they're kind of showing their answers in multiple ways, right? Okay, so that is that worksheet. And then the third one here, it's analogous, split-complementary, and monochromatic. So if you have the Google Slides that goes with this, it kind of follows through the Google Slides. So, you could have students do it with you when you're going through the Google Slides, or assign it after, and it's very much in the same kind of order that the Google Slides goes in. Okay, so that is the digital worksheets. So then here's our answer keys. So just, showing you what I talked about here, how to show intensity and primary colors, and how to fill the colors in on the page, and all that kind of stuff. All right, so you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like, or what the students would write for their examples. There you go. And then here below, I have the printable worksheets. So if you don't want to do it digitally, you want students to have the piece of paper in front of them. And again, you could have that while they're going through the Google Slides with you, they're filling it in, and then maybe they go back and do the digital worksheet as well. Maybe this is their notes that they're taking while you're going through the Google Slides, or maybe it's something you assign it after. But this is the same information, just laid out, a little bit differently. They would, color it themselves. Obviously, it's all printable. It says printable in the upper left-hand corner there, so that you, it's, easy. You don't kind of get confused. Is this the digital? Is it the printable? All right. So that is the digital and printable worksheets for this color theory unit. And yes, you can find them at my store at Teachers Pay Teachers, at FCS Fork and Knife. And then also you can always reference my website, forkandknifeteacher.com, or my YouTube channel, Fork and Knife Teacher, for more explanations on how to use different products. Thanks so much.